Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala. And, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Yesterday we discussed about one charting scanner regarding swing trading for a breakout stocks for a swing trading. So we find out Axis Bank. So that we mentioned about Axis Bank, it should trigger about 900.10. That should be the entry point, and maybe we are going to keep as a day low as a stop loss around 890, 889. So near about 11 points. And today at least 1:1, it is given you the 11 points target. So it is a positional trade, not for an intraday. Okay. So we are using a breakout scanner. So that breakout scanner which is available on my Telegram group, that is what, not a free group, it's a paid group for a yearly charges. 900.10, that should be my breakout point that we selected the stock yesterday. Okay, so it is a EOD scanner, end of the day scanner. After 4 o'clock 4 p.m. if you are checking that scanner, and you will be finding, if you finding any stock, the stock would be focusing for tomorrow for a breakout. Okay, so if you don't find out any stock, the stock, any of the stock which is not satisfied our condition, that is what the thing which we are going to use on a particular scanner. And by using yesterday, we find out that Axis Bank, and also we did the back test about the system also, that works. And I have a one comment, why you are not going to give you free of scanners. From 2018 up to 2022, I was giving you all the scanners in free. I was updating each and every scanners on my Telegram group. All right, I was sending you that whatever the scanner which I have created, I will sharing on my free Telegram group. Okay, so people, one, those who are not understanding about the scanner, they will ask me, why sir, how sir. So I am just giving you the example and explanations too. Okay, but after sometimes people selling that, selling that scanners, and they collect it from me, and they are selling the scanners. They make money by using my knowledge. Why I can't do it? That's my logic, which I used it. This is what my Telegram group. Previously, how much, 2,500 and almost 2,600 people who's there in the channel. You can see right now I'm not active on this channel. I'm not giving you any free alerts here. Previously, who can give you to spend the money? You can see high momentum stock and a call put breakout. Okay, so you can see high momentum stocks and call option, put option breakout, and intraday scalping breakout. Everything which I give free, which I spend money for the alerts. Okay, so the Telegram integration is not a free, sir. Just understand the comment you can use. Okay, why you are going to charge? This is my knowledge, and I'm just making, you are making use of it. If you are not able to make just 200 rupees for this alert, how you can, if I give you free, how you can use it? First thing, if I given you, see, up to 2013 December, this is what a 2022. Every day I'm sending you the alerts. The alerts from charting, you may be going to give you by using a Gmail. You can get alert only 1,000 Gmail alert. You can use it, or SMS alert. Only you need a premium version. I need to pay for a premium, and also I'm getting alert by the third party paid software. I can send it to my Telegram group. It will helping me to make my trades. So that I initially I thought to give you free, but someone who made a misleading or misunderstanding about my scanners and screeners, and also they are selling without my knowledge. Then someone who are making money using my scanners, why I can't? I think you are making some comments, no problem for me. So whatever the product which is came free, it will not useful for real traders. Okay, so at least you need to spend something. So that's why I'm just charging the same alert which I sent you free of cost for almost 6 7 months. Now I'm sending you the 199 rupees per month. So 200 rupees if you are not able to spend for a month, how you are going to make money from the market while investing on 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees? Okay, I hope I'm not criticizing you. I'm just telling my thing, which whatever the thing which I fielded. So you want to see that scanners, but that scanners was not available on paid group. Even more powerful scanner which I created, but I want to not to share in public places. If you want to go to get that scanners, you can see how from November month So almost 6-7 months I was sending you the alert. September. You can see the alerts. I hope you understand. I don't think so. Onwards, you don't get the same kind of comments on my channel. I hope. So this is what a student who made money. How you the people who are sharing the screenshots. Here he was doing my advanced option strategy. After that, he was making such a kind of money. For a courtesy, he was sharing to that profit he made based on my advanced option strategy. But I am sharing that. But at one point of the time, he was not interested to share that. But no one can interested to share their one profit screen. Look at this PNB call option 36. These are the trades which he was done by based on advanced strategy. Okay, I am also sharing, but right the clients and friends. And even they attend a class, they do it well. And I don't want to promote it. So look at this almost 2022, we got alerts on Telegram group. If you want to see, and this group is created long back, and you can see the alert from where here and previously I was doing. See, you can see September from September. You find out the alerts, the same alerts right now. What are the alerts? High momentum, intraday scalper buy and sell, high momentum stock, and another one is about scalper buy and sell. So totally 5 scanners which I am sending alert. Even breakout scanners I have initially triggered you the alert, and someone who taken this free, but free I given you 2,600 members. Okay, and so this is what my now I stopped all the things. So here I am doing daily stocks. I was updating, but someone were making that. Why I should go for? Why I'm not going to do it? If you're interested, you can join. This is not any. I'm not selling a product. I'm just sharing my knowledge. That's it. Okay. If you wish, you can take and you can improve your knowledge. Right. So here I just given you, but I can't able to find out where while I'm started sharing my all the scanners. You can say I think August, July. I think 6 month I was given you free. How did you ask me why you are not giving you free? Well, how many of them are used to 6 month? What they made from May month? And you can see it is going to May. So I was given you the alert in my group free, right? So now I think over it. So now someone who are making money with my knowledge, why I should? So let's start just. If you go to seek for some of the scanners, even a single scanner, they charge 8,000, 9,000 rupees. I think you won't seen that, guys. That's why you're asking me. That comment is it's not good for me. That's why I'm talking about that comment. Even someone who are making a comment to create some scanners, I was created free of cost for everyone. If I move, this is more than 1 year, December 21. Okay, I started from maybe January something. Yeah, RSC daily. I think more than 1 year I given you free bus. After reading all the things, just you can try to comment it. So without doing some with nothing we are doing. Okay, so do comments. Okay, previously we go for so 1 year back. So I will mentioning the scanner link also I will provide you free of cost. There will be link will be there. So if you want to go to check that particular group, you can see the link 204 links. You can see previously the scanners which I shared, a lot of scanners, powerful charting scanner, and here you can see a lot of scanners. If you want to take this scanners, here you can see find the 45 degree, find the 45 degree bullish or bearish breakout stocks for tomorrow, and Bollinger Band breakout. So you don't have a time to check this. Okay, almost 200 free scanners which is updated. Why I should go for making 1 or 2 scanners to paid? I hope you understand. GEL. I think your name on my channel. You are commenting that. No problem. So you are going to comment even more. No problem for me. So based on that scanner, I find out this stock. This is what Axis Bank. Yesterday, real time I shown in the end of the day scanner. It is the stock which is available on Axis Bank. That triggers today. That was giving you more than 1%. That is 1:1. That's good enough. And what are the stocks today's triggers? Godrej Consumer Product Limited. That is what a Godrej CP. And today I find out the stock in the list. Now the stock would be there Godrej consumer product. Maybe Monday you can focus this, and also a hammer candle, something like that. And before that, we find the stock, this particular Godrej consumer product here for a top 3 breakout stocks for tomorrow. This is what the top 3 breakout stocks tomorrow on my channel. I'm daily making videos, whether you are making money or not. I'm not going to check it. If you are make it, just good enough. If you are not doing that, I don't care about it, right? This is a take breakout stock for tomorrow, like that. Positive, top 3 positive breakout, which is happening around 955. Now it is 999, more than 50 points, near about 50 points. But this stock will be in the scanner for a breakout based on the recent scanner which I have created, and this should be my breakout opportunity. The high is around 989. Sorry, 1003.8, 1004 rupees. That should be the next day breakout, 1004. If it is crossed tomorrow, that is Monday, I can go to focus the stock. Maybe the stop loss which I keep around 976. If the stop loss is suitable, you can place the orders, or just watch the trades, how the stock is performing. It's not for an intraday, it's a positional trade. We should wait for a positional. Okay, at least 1 or 2 days or 3 days we should wait. So this is the video which I made 4 days back. How many of them following that video 4 days back, and how many of them tracking the stock? If you are tracking, that was giving you some 4% result, which is given you free of cost. 5% positive breakout stocks for tomorrow. That's a concept which I do it. Okay, that scanner also available on the paid Telegram. Thank you so much. I hope you understand. So the comments, it is a comment. I will show you that from my channel who commented me, and this is not. If you wish, you can take. That's it. That I'm going to share that comment. This I'm searching for the comment. Okay, the stocks were. Let's see this comment. What's wrong with you? Give you free scanners to beginners. Last 3 years you are still beginners. 3 years back, I'm started my channel and I'm updating a lot of scanners. There are many people who are giving you free, means if you can go for, no problem at all. So 3,000 per year, a bunch of scanners. Yes, I'm charging 3,000. Someone was charging 9,000. It is very less compared to that. 1,200 is for my Google Sheet. The Google Sheet you cannot see anywhere in such a kind of scanners. You can see even a lot of paid websites. They will provide you the scanners for all the options. Okay, so you are not exactly finding for a ATM options. Okay, and that is why I just given you comment, no problem at all. If you don't free, you don't find it any value on it. Okay, even if you are not able to spend 300 rupees per month, surely you are not understanding the value of product. Simply, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.